There is no such thing as luck in the market. The results you see from traders come down to two scenarios. Either the trader has spent countless hours and effort studying the market, or they've got a professional guiding them to solid results. My name is Simon and I've been trading for 7 years. Together with my subscribers, more than 9,000 of them, we make 700 per session. Today, I want to share a strategy I've been developing for months. I always test my ideas on myself first before sharing them with my followers. Let's put it to the test right now. Let's go. Let's start by setting up our platform. We'll select the players and stock. And now for the indicators. This part is crucial. Today I'm using RSI and MACD. A few more tweaks to make the indicator data clear and visible. Now I'm ready, let's go to the first pair. Friends, if you're not familiar with these settings, don't worry. Join my club and I'll explain how to choose the right indicators, why I select certain pairs, and how to read the charts. I can't cover all of this in this video, but I'll be waiting for you in my community. Alright, I'm going down here. I see we've reached the resistance level and the RSI indicator is close to the upper boundary. I'm expecting a bounce downward. Let's watch. Great start, let's keep going. Take a look, there's a level above that was tested twice with strong candles. This indicates a strong seller in this area, so I expect the downward movement to continue. Let's make a move. For those who've made it this far in the video, here's my appealing offer. If you're just starting your trading journey, this gift will be the perfect kickstart. And remember, you can start with just one. Hurry up, join my club, message me, and claim your gift. Right on target, just the way I like it. Let's switch to Apple. I see an upward trend with the correction. The recent selling candles are getting smaller, while the buying ones are growing, meaning the correction is ending and the trend will continue. The RSI indicator is bouncing off the 50 level and the price is being held to continue its upward movement. It's clear, let's soar. We're halfway through and my strategy is working. Let's keep watching. Back to our pair. I see the high has been updated, but the MACD histogram is shrinking. This divergence signals that the trend is weakening and the reversal is coming. The RSI indicator shows the same. We are going down. A quick and accurate forecast is the key to excellent results, my friends. What do we have here? After a drop, there's been a strong upward movement without pullbacks. The MACD indicator has flipped, with the blue line crossing the pink one from below. I'm confident this is worth joining. Perfect, let's do a couple more to solidify the results. As we predicted earlier, the upward movement continued. I see the RSI indicator went beyond the upper boundary, forming a pin bar and a red candle that confirms the start of a correction. The MACD indicator is also slowly turning around. Time to go down. Awesome, let's wrap it up, my friends. This one's pretty straightforward. I see a support level and the price is moving sideways. I'm entering from the lower boundary, expecting it to reach at least the upper level. Fantastic! Experience has paid off. My strategy works. That was exciting, my friends. I'd love for you to feel what I'm feeling right now. It's an unreal sensation. Once again, I want to emphasize that everything you've seen today is the result of my 7 years of hard work. Don't fall for traders who promise to teach you everything in 1 month and send you off on your own. It's risky and you might end up sinking. In my club, I personally analyze the mistakes of every participant. The feedback from my followers speaks for itself about their achievements. I get requests from people all over the world, and I'm happy to help each one. So if you are looking for new opportunities to grow, message me and I'll create a personalized action plan for you, completely free. That's all for now. I'm off to treat myself to a new watch and then head straight to a session with my students. See you next time.